Now let us address this big myth, on which AI is more powerful. If you're a beginner using AI, you'll probably be asking whether you should be using ChatGPT or you should use Gemini. Like you'll be asking questions like which one is smarter, which one is better for making money, which one is you know better for or easier for beginners. But here's the truth. This is not about which AI is more powerful. It's about which AI is better for you as a beginner. And by the end of this video, you will have a clear framework to choose the right tool instead of guessing. Now let's break it down properly. So the question is, what are we comparing? We need to know what we are comparing here. Let's get a clear idea of what we are comparing. We are comparing OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Google Gemini. Okay, both are powerful AI tools. Both can write content, answer questions, help with business ideas, generate scripts, and improve productivity. So, but for beginners, the experience usually feels different. So let us compare them across what actually matters. Number one is the ease of use for beginners. If you're a beginner using AI tools, simplicity matters a lot. Yeah, for ChatGPT, it has a very great beginner-friendly interface, and it also has a clear conversation style. ChatGPT is very good at following structured prompts, and when you are using ChatGPT, it's very easy to refine responses. While for Gemini, Gemini has deep integration with Google products. It also has a strong research style responses compared to ChatGPT that has a conversational style responses. Yeah, and also Gemini also feels more search enhanced. So for beginners learning to write better prompts, ChatGPT feels more responsive to structured instructions. Yeah, Gemini is a very powerful tool, but when it comes to conversation, it feels less controllable when it comes to conversation flow. Okay, so in terms of ease of use for beginners, ChatGPT has a slighter edge. Okay, so let's all move to the next item of comparison on our list. Number two is best for making money online. Now let's talk business. If you want to write a YouTube script, if you want to improve your sales copy, if you want to start affiliate marketing, or maybe you want to create a digital product, you need a strong output structure. You also need a customizable tone, and you need a reliable iteration. ChatGPT is very excellent at giving a step-by-step plan. It is also great for content creation workflows. Okay, yeah, ChatGPT also has a very strong prompt engineering flexibility. When you're using ChatGPT, it's basically easy to refine multiple drafts. Okay, Gemini is very strong at giving strong research summaries, and it's also good for pulling structured information. And Gemini is also very good when comparing data. Okay, so for beginners trying to build an income system online, ChatGPT feels more like an assistant, while Gemini feels more like a research engine. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that if your goal is business execution, then ChatGPT has an edge over Gemini. Okay, so let us move to the next item of comparison on our list. The third item on our list is response quality and reasoning. Now let us address this big myth, on which AI is more powerful or on which AI is smarter here. Both Gemini and ChatGPT uses a large language model. The difference isn't raw intelligence, but basically the reasoning style it gets. So like I said before, ChatGPT is very good at following structured prompts. Yeah, so ChatGPT is also good at maintaining conversational contexts. And with ChatGPT, you can improve use it with iteration. You get. While for Gemini leans towards factual and research-based responses. Gemini is very good at integrating real-time web-connected information. Yeah, that is depending on the version that you're using. So for beginners learning prompt engineering, I would say ChatGPT's conversational refinements makes it easier for them to get improved answers. Okay, so yeah, so let us move to the next item of comparison on our list. All right, guys, the our fourth item of comparison on the list is the free versus the paid experience. So basically, both platform offers free access with limitations. Basically, the paid models offers better models, faster responses, and it also offers more advanced reasoning, and it gives larger context windows, you know. So if you're a complete beginner, you can start free on any of the platforms. But if you are serious about business, content creation, and scaling productivity, then upgrading, you know, to these paid versions actually makes sense. You get, but basically you should know that the key is not about subscription, but about how you use the tool. Guys, the fifth item of comparison is which is better for learning AI skills. If your goal is to learn how to write better prompts, to learn the prompt components, or to understand ChatGPT workflows, if you want to also learn the AI productivity systems, then ChatGPT is currently the better training ground for that, because ChatGPT responds better to structured prompts framework like the role, the context, the tags, and the constraints, and then the output formats. It's not like Gemini is not good, you know, per se, but you see, ChatGPT is more predictable when it comes to learning prompt engineering basics. So the question now is, which AI is better for beginners? Here's the honest answer. It depends on your goal. Okay, you can use this framework. Use ChatGPT if you want to make, you want to build systems, you want to make money online, you want to create contents, and maybe you want to master prompt engineering. You use ChatGPT. Then choose Gemini if one, you rely heavily on Google tools. Two, use Gemini if you prioritize research style answers. Okay. Three, use Gemini if you want tight integration with Google services. So for most beginners trying to improve productivity or start an online income, ChatGPT feels more um, beginner friendly, optimized. Okay, so that's just it. What you should know is that from people winning with AI, they are not loyal to one particular platform. They understand that AI is a leverage, and if you write better prompts, you get better responses. Okay, whether you are using ChatGPT or whether you are using Gemini. So don't focus on which of the AI is smarter. Instead, you should become a smarter user of any AI. You get. All right, guys. So if this comparison has helped you to understand which of these AI is better for beginners, please don't forget to like this video, give it a like, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe to support my work, and I will see you in the next video, which promises to be more exciting. All right. So till then, all the best.